Let's also put the spotlight on Q2 earnings of some US banking giants then. The world's largest bank, JP Morgan Chase & Company, recorded revenue for the quarter gone by at $44.9 billion, which though 11% lower than what the street was working with and on a year-on-year basis, exceeded street estimates. Profit fell nearly 17% to come in at about $15 billion, better than estimates. Jamie Dimon said that the US economy remained resilient in the quarter, but also stated that significant risks still persist. If you look at Wells Fargo, well, that's another bank which posted better than expected revenue and profit, but the lender trimmed its interest income guidance for the year and they now expect it to be roughly in line with 2024 level of about $48 billion. When it comes to commentary, CEO Charlie Scharf said that activity levels are steady even amid risks. Blackrock earnings were also above estimates. Earnings per share for the company stood out. It was higher than the forecast by about 13% to come in at $12 per share. Revenue was robust. It was up 13% on an annualized basis. And now the final banking major which reported its earnings today. Citi's second quarter results were also ahead of estimates. Net income climbed nearly 25% on a year-on-year basis and revenue was also up 8% in the same period.
All right, so shifting focus to tariffs now. Now, more trade deals in the offing, it seems. Now, Trump claims that he has struck a deal with Indonesia, announcing a 19% tariff down from the 32% he had threatened last week. Now, Trump says Jakarta will also buy $15 billion in U.S. energy, $4.5 billion in farm products, and 50 Boeing jets as well. But so far, Indonesia hasn't confirmed any of these details. In fact, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick suggests that Indonesia will drop tariffs on U.S. goods. Now, the president, meanwhile, said that more tariff letters are on the way for smaller countries, signaling rates a little over 10%. He added that they are happy with simple deals already covering over 20 nations. In fact, let's go across and listen into what Trump had to say about the update on deals with Indonesia and India.
Indonesia was great. He's a great president. And we made a terrific deal where they opened up the entire country to trade with the United States. We weren't allowed to go in and trade. I think something similar will happen with, I would say, India. And we have a couple of others.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.